majestic eagle, nature's sovereign raptor. Lords of the sky. Eagles have dominated the skies and human imagination for millennia as symbols of power, freedom, and divine connection. This in-depth examination explores the eagle's remarkable biology, extraordinary adaptations, cultural significance across civilizations, pressing conservation challenges, and future prospects as both ecological keystones and spiritual icons. Taxonomy and evolutionary biology. Scientific classification. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Aves. Order, Accipitriformes. Family, Accipitridae. Subfamilies, Aquilini, true eagles, Halietini, sea eagles, Circedini, snake eagles. Global species diversity. 68 recognized species across 23 genera. Largest genera. Aquila, 12 species including golden eagle. Haliaetus, 10 species including bald eagle. Spizaetus, 9 tropical hawk eagles. Evolutionary timeline. Eocene origins, 50 million years ago early accipitrid ancestors. Oligocene radiation, 30 million years ago development of modern eagle characteristics. Pleistocene adaptations, specialization into distinct ecological niches. Genetic studies, reveal convergent evolution in unrelated eagle lineages. Anatomy and physiological adaptations. Structural marvels. Skeletal system. Hollow bones with internal struts, weight reduction. Fused vertebrae for flight stability. Keeled sternum for massive flight muscle attachment. Musculature. Pectorals constitute 25% of body weight. Talon grip strength up to 400 psi, 10x human hand. Sensory superiority. Visual system. 340 degrees field of view. Fovea density 5x human, 24ths vision equivalent. UV light detection, helps track urine trails. Auditory adaptations. Facial disc feathers direct sound. Can hear prey movements at 2 miles. Flight engineering. Wing morphology. Aspect ratios from 6:1, forest eagles, to 10:1, soaring species. Slotting feathers prevent stalling. Flight performance. Cruising speed, 30 to 50 miles per hour. Dive speed, 150 to 200 miles per hour, peregrine comparisons. Altitude record, 37,000 feet, Ruppel's griffin. Global distribution and habitat ecology. Biogeographic patterns. Highest diversity, Neotropics, 28 species. Latitudinal gradient, decreased diversity toward poles. Island endemics, 12 species restricted to single archipelagos. Habitat specialization matrix. Sea eagles. Habitat, coastlines, lakes, rivers. Key traits, fish specialists, salt-resistant physiology. Example, bald eagle. Forest eagles. Habitat, dense tropical rainforests. Key traits, short wings for maneuverability, powerful grip. Example, harpy eagle. Grassland eagles. Habitat, open plains, savannas. Key traits, long legs, ground hunting specialists. Example, martial eagle. Mountain eagles. Habitat, high altitude ranges. Key traits, large wingspans, cold adapted. Example, golden eagle. Desert eagles. Habitat, arid regions. Key traits, heat tolerance, long distance flyers. Example, Veros's eagle. Snake eagles. Habitat, varied, specialized diet. Key traits, reinforced scales, venom resistance. Example, brown snake eagle. Migration strategies. Full migrants, steppe eagle, 11,000 km journeys. Partial migrants, bald eagle, northern populations. Eruptive movements, golden eagle, prey dependent. Behavioral ecology and hunting strategies. Cognitive complexity. Tool use, dropping stones to crack eggs, black eagle. Play behavior, aerial object passing observed in 18 species. Memory, nest site fidelity spanning decades. Hunting technique spectrum. High-speed dive. Stoop angles up to 80 degrees. Impact force equals 25x body weight. Still hunting. 98% success rate in African fish eagle. Cooperative hunting. Varrose's eagle pairs drive hyraxes to cliffs. Dietary breadth analysis. Smallest prey, insects, little eagle. Largest prey, 50 kg deer, stellar sea eagle. Specialist diets. Palm nut vulture, fruit eating. Bat hawk, nocturnal insectivore. Reproduction and life history. Courtship displays. Aerial acrobatics. Talon locking cartwheels. 20+ dive or chase sequences. Nest demonstrations. Material presentation rituals. Mutual nest arrangement. Nest architecture. Largest recorded. 6.1 meters deep, 2.9 tons, bald eagle. Used continuously for 45 years. Construction timeline. 100+ hours for initial build. Annual maintenance, 20 to 40 hours. Developmental timeline. Egg stage, 35 to 50 days. Embryonic growth begins. Parental incubation, both sexes in most species. Vocalizations start before hatching. Nestling stage, 0 to 10 weeks. Week 1, helpless, eyes open by day 3. Week 3, first feather growth, pin feathers. Week 6, stand on feet, wing exercises. Week 8, full feather development. Fledgling stage, 10 to 16 weeks. First flight attempts, short hops. Flight muscles strengthen. Begin practicing hunting skills. Still fed by parents. Juvenile stage, 6 to 18 months. Independent hunting. Develop adult plumage, takes 4 to 5 years in some species. Dispersal from natal territory. Subadult stage, 1 to 4 years. Perfect hunting techniques. Establish temporary territories. Reach sexual maturity, varies by species. Adult stage, 4+ years. Full breeding capability. Establish permanent territory. Lifespan, 15 to 30 years, wild, up to 50 years, captivity. Cultural significance through history. Ancient civilizations. Sumerian, lion-headed eagle symbol, Imdugud. Egyptian, neckbit vulture eagle goddess. Roman, Jupiter's Aquila standard legions. Religious symbolism. Christianity, 4 living creatures vision. Hinduism, Garuda as Vishnu's mount. Native American, Thunderbird mythology. Modern iconography. National symbols, 32 countries feature eagles. Corporate branding, 18 Fortune 500 companies. Space program, Apollo 11 lunar module namesake. Conservation status and threats. Population status overview. Critically endangered, 4 species, example Philippine eagle. Endangered, 11 species. Stable or increasing, 22 species, example bald eagle. Threat matrix analysis. Habitat loss and degradation. Primary impact, deforestation, urbanization, agriculture. Most affected, forest eagles, example harpy, Philippine eagle. Conservation action, protected areas, reforestation. Human-wildlife conflict. Primary impact, poisoning, shooting due to livestock predation. Most affected, grassland and mountain eagles, example golden, martial eagle. Conservation action, community education, compensation programs. Electrocution and collisions. Primary impact, power lines, wind turbines. Most affected, large soaring eagles, example steppe, Spanish imperial eagle. Conservation action, insulated pylons, turbine placement regulations. Poisoning, lead and pesticides. Primary impact, lead ammunition, rodenticides. Most affected, scavenging eagles, example bald, white-tailed eagle. Conservation action, lead bans, alternative hunting ammunition. Illegal wildlife trade. Primary impact, trapping for feathers, pets, traditional medicine. Most affected, Asian and African species, example crowned, Bonelli's eagle. Conservation action, anti-poaching laws, enforcement. Climate change. Primary impact, altered prey availability, habitat shifts. Most affected, Arctic and island species, example stellar sea eagle. Conservation action, climate-resilient habitat protection. Conservation success stories. Bald eagle recovery. DDT ban, 1972. Population growth, from 417 to 316,700, from 1963 to 2021. Philippine Eagle Foundation. 30 captive bred eagles released. Community-based forest protection. Future challenges and innovations. Climate change impacts. Range shifts, 300 km northward movement projected. Prey availability, phenological mismatches emerging. Nest site vulnerability, increased storm frequency. Technological solutions. GPS tracking, solar-powered transmitters. AI monitoring, nest camera automated alerts. Drone surveillance, anti-poaching patrols. Policy recommendations. Power line mitigation, $12 million per kilometer retrofitting. Lead ammunition bans, 34 countries implemented. Habitat corridors, 500 kilometers planned in Himalayas. Conclusion, guardians of the biosphere. Eagles represent both ecological linchpins and cultural touchstones, their fate intertwined with human civilization. Through advanced conservation science, policy innovation, and cross-cultural cooperation, we can ensure these aerial monarchs continue gracing our skies for millennia to come. Their enduring presence serves as both a biological imperative and testament to humanity's capacity for coexistence with nature's most magnificent predators. When the storm comes, all other birds seek shelter. The eagle alone avoids the storm by flying above it.